Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some vintage baseball cards from Repacked Wax. Hey guys, I got some more packs to open. Almost finished with the 36 packs. Wish me luck, guys. If you guys don't know, these are 15 cards per pack of various brands from the 1950s to today. Hopefully I could rip something pretty sweet. Wish me luck. If I could open these packs. They do put a sticker, if you don't know, on the front and the back of these packs, so the wax does not ruin the cards. And there's the sticker. Pretty cool. Alright guys, wish me luck. We do have a gold. And this is a Eddie Zoski gold. All different brands. Braves National League. This is actually from 2017. Oil Can Boyd. Brad Anderson. Nice Chipper Jones. Earl Hershiser. Mike Phillips. David Segui. Ray Sadecki. 75. Pretty cool. Bob Nepper, shutout leader. Terry Pendleton, Art Howe, Ed Jurek, and this is a Sports Flicks, nice Reggie Jackson Sports Flicks, and Ela Rodriguez Bowman. Hope everyone's doing well, as I always say. Tommy Herr, Jim Sandberg, Sundberg, Brett Butler, Dave LaRoche, nice oldie, nice Willie Randolph Diamond Kings, Steven Strasburg Bowman Chrome, Mike Heath, Martin Prado, the Yankees, Bill Rayner, Boston Red Sox. Pretty cool. Rick Aguilera, Scott Erickson, Eric Sodom, Sammy Sosa, Jackie Gutierrez, and Arthur Rhodes. Be nice to really find a sweet old rookie card of a big star. Ed Correa, Al Fireman, and Rigetti, Eric Davis, Dave Rozema, Bob Brower, Dave Gallagher, Lance Parrish, Orlando Mercado, Ed Sprague, Tug McGraw, nice Mike Piazza, George Forster, Mark Williamson, Rodrigo Rosario, star rookie, and a Mike Fontenot rookie. Whoa, almost lost the camera. Sorry about that. Alright, Come on, baby. Nice sports flicks. Alan Trammell. Doug Flynn. Brett Saberhagen. This is... There we go. Dave. Mike Bilecki. Paul Konerko. Nice Frank Thomas. Justin Upton, rookie. Bob Lemon. And this is a Jim Baptiste, or Kim. Howard Johnson. Bill Bonham. Frank Castillo. Bobby Clark. And a Jeff Reardon. Tim Wallace. Craig Reynolds. Billy Goodman. Nice oldie here. Ed Van Berg. Jose Uribe. Terry Pendleton. Ken Oberkfell. Eric Rasmussen. Alan Trammell. Nice old Phillies card. Team card. I love the team cards back in the day. Not how they do it now. I like when you see every player on the card like that. It's really nice. Kevin Stocker. Paul Sorrento. Xavier Hernandez. Frank Castillo. Terry Bradshaw. And a Manny Parra. Bowman. Oh, that wasn't a Bowman, but it was a rookie. We have a gold Dave Gallica. Bartolo Colon. Frank Williams. Luke Gregson. Nice Ken Griffey checklist. Pedro Guerrero. Bobby Ramos. Joe Carter. Mike Caldwell. Mike Scott. Odaby McDowell. Chuck McElroy. Terry Forster. Another sports flicks. And this is... Who is that? Alright, I don't know who it is, but Austin Bowman. Gary Pettis. Bill Russell. Blake Taylor Bowman. Horace Speed. Ozzie Smith. Gold Mark Langston. Nice Charlie Smith All-Star rookie. Nice oldie here. Rookie oldie. Pretty cool. Dan Mike Messina. Jeff Musselman rookie. Sean Helgus. Mark Whitten. Checklist with Nolan Ryan checklist. Pretty cool. Gold Neil Walker. And a Manny Lee. Alright, last pack, guys. Alright, a gold Brian Jordan. Jared Dyson. These are Heritage. Jeff Reed. Adam Lind. Roy McMillan. McMillan. Nice oldie. I like the cartoons they put on the old cards. Pretty cool. I always liked them. Len Matusik, Bill Lee, Don Ace, Chris Canzaro. That's a 75. Fernando Valenzuela, Chris Hoyles, Lance Johnson, Juan Beniquez, Jose Rio, and Nelson Molina Bowman. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. You guys have a great night. Until next time.